definitely like.
Man, when is it gonna stop raining? Oh my God! Oh, I ain't stepping out there.
You're not. No, you're not going out there. Just.
Oh my gosh! See? Oh!
Did you see that lightning?
Yes.
This is gonna be a flood.
Yes.
Look at the ground. Look at the ground. Oh my. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a flood.
And they said, whoever said it wasn't coming, Daryl.
Yeah, Uncle Daryl. Whoa! Aunt Tina, you come here. Oh my! No way! No way!
Yes way. Oh, ooh, that's too much thunder for me. As long as it's not lightning, I don't like lightning.
No, there's definitely light. Look,
Oh, I see it.
there's about to be a lightning strike.
And that rain's gonna come for a while too. Girl!
Whoa! Nana, come back. You're not. You're not even gonna be by the door. Tell me if you. This is like Florida. Nana, I recorded something a lot, like, very intense before, and it was worse than this one. Oh!
I saw that.
That is amazing! Maurice is. That's just lightning. A lightning strike, not a bolt. This is the most powerful thunderstorm that we had this year in Richmond Heights. No way! Oh. Thank you, God.
For sending us a storm.
Yes. Whoa! I saw that lightning. Did you just see another one?
Yes. I'm worried about you.
No, I'm not gonna get hurt. I promise. I'm used to recording stuff. Nana, look at the ground.
I see it.
It's flood. It's
Yeah, it's flooding.
Nana, I'm used to these storms.
Okay.
Oh,
You see that?
wow. This is just amazing. Wait until it gets nighttime. Nana, we have never got this kind of storm last year.
I think we did, but you weren't here.
No, we didn't.
You was at school.
Or at the zoo.
No, at school.
At
You
the
didn't go to the zoo.
Whoa! At the end of last year or what?
I think so. I don't want you to get struck by that.
I'm not. I record stuff like this every time there's a thunderstorm. Just amazing. This is literally like Florida. Seeing lightning in the day like this. I mean, it can happen everywhere, but oh, wow. Excuse me. Wow! Oh! Okay, hear the thunder. It's gonna be big. Oh my God. This is something that you hear in videos. Isn't it? No way, Nana. This is way too intense. Look at the floor. It's literally flooding. This storm is getting intense by the minute. Every single second. Like, oh, wow. Just the coolest storm.
It's been trying to come all day.
And it finally got a chance to.
Broke through.
We got some littler cells, but this is a mega cell. This is a mega supercell. I think he saw the lightning.
What you see? Oh, it's running? Oh, yeah. No. Daryl knows about that. Yeah.
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Whoa! That was the most amazing thing I heard in my life! Wow! Aunt Tina!